Morning guys, welcome back to another episode. As you can see, I am back in the boat here. I'm in 10 feet of water and we're nearing that point over there, which I caught a pretty decent flathead off of a couple weeks ago. So that is partially the plan. I'm going to try there, and then we're going to go on the other side of the lake and try some deeper drop-offs and see if we can't find any deeper bass or walleye or anything else. So come along with me. Let's do it. Alright, so what I have on right now is a 1/4 ounce jig head and a ribbon tail grub. There's nothing surprising about that. That is my normal fare for just kind of a search lure and whatnot. We're just going to try off of this shoreline and back out into, well, now we're in 7 feet of water, but into some deeper water just to see if there's any bass or anything kind of chilling. There's a fish. That was wild. Alright, well, there's the first fish. There's definitely, I think, a lot of these guys chasing fish on the surface around here, but man, that jump, that jump was insane. Yeah, just a little dude. We'll take him. Thanks, buddy. Oh, that almost felt like a fish too. Yeah, there's lots of fish biting right now. I got that one. Well, we're getting smaller, but there's bass around. Oh, he's tiny. Alright, let's try off this point a little bit, work our way into like 12, 15 feet of water, see if there's anything a little bit deeper off this point. But yeah, then we'll go underneath that bridge over there and get to the other side where I wanted to get to today. There's a walleye. Oh, I thought that was a walleye. Wow, I'm seeing. Alright, definitely just a little bass again. They're still down there though. How you doing?
How you doing?
Not bad. Some really good humps right there too. I mean, that's where I'd be looking for walleye for sure. Even at this time with the sun over here, shadows down here. I mean, there could be some fish down there. Yeah, there was a fish right there. There's the walleye. Alright guys, this is exactly what we came out here looking for on these drop-offs and whatnot. Just a little walleye. Definitely want a little bit more size to that, but maybe we found them here. Oh, there's another bite. There's a big old crappie. Alright, well, we're getting multi-species here. Can't really see them well there, I'm sure, but There's another fish. All right, we're right along this drop off here. That's probably about 8 feet here, and then it drops down to 18 where we're at. Let's see if there's anything living on that drop off there. Hopefully we have good ice this winter as well. I would love to come out and fish this lake with a friend or two. I only trust being on this lake with somebody else, I think, or people around anyways. There we go. Alright, another small largemouth bass. You would think that at that depth, though, they would be a little bit bigger. But there's another one. Thank you, my friend. Alright, same plan here. There's another one. Another crappie. Crappie that absolutely hammered it. And is bleeding into my canoe. Thanks a lot, bud. Damn, I'm really sorry. Hopefully you're okay. I don't know, I suppose I could keep him. Hopefully you're okay, bud. Well, he swam away. Let's see what happens there. Alright guys, well, I gotta get out of here. Gotta get to work here tonight shortly, but not a bad day. Definitely caught a few bass, and the walleye was awesome. That's really what I was looking for. I don't know, by the time you have seen this video, I probably have been back from Wisconsin and Minnesota, taking a little trip there, and yeah, hopefully in the next videos you see will be from up there, and hopefully we catch some bigger fish. So yeah, appreciate you guys watching. See you on the next one. Peace.